Minor connector. Minor connectors connect major connectors. The following: indirect retainer, clamps, rest. Minor connectors. Rest, firm metal extension of an RPD removable puncture denture framework that attaches to the occlusal, incisor, or lingual surface of abutment tooth, provides a rigid vertical stop for the partial distributed force through long axes to provide support. Restes are prepared into the occlusal, inside, or lingual surface or abutment tooth, not part of the metal framework of denture, but a part of the tooth, receives and supports a rest. Occlusal rest, spoon-shaped, rounded, semicircular outline form, depth 1.5 mm for base metal, half intercuspal width, the third mesodistal width, angle formed with vertical minor connector, and occlusal rest is below 90 degree, floor inclination apical towards center. Cingulum rest, inverted V or U-shape, depth 1.5 mm, 2 mm, labiolingual width, latch 2.5 mm, 2.5 to 3 mm mesodistal length. Common for canines, mandibular incisors contraindicated. Mandibular incisors contraindicated. Benefits: strength from the closed neck to major connector, good distribution of the occlusal load. Proximal plate, cingulum. Incisor rest, rounded notch at incisor angle, depth 1.5 mm, 2.5 mm mesodistal length. Can also be used as an indirect retainer, not commonly used due to aesthetics compromise visible in facial view. Occlusal rest, 1.5 mm, 1.5 mm occlusal, apical towards center, cingulum rest, 1.5 mm, 2 mm labiolingual, 2.5 mesodistal, 2.5 to 3 mm, 2 mm lingual buccal, and depth is 1.5 mm. Proximal plates,